thumbs up to this course, GD Quest application later to learn the Godot scripting. Well, this second segment is related for at least this part that I remember, arrays, using the arrays, and also actually I think first part was hour and a half. Conditional if statement and introducing also if else. Then looping function, actually in a branching sense, for loop and while loop to conditionally repeat a given block of code. And after that we went into those boy from Neverland. Say it. I'm listening. What you need, lost boy? Lost boy. And at the end, after that, for loop, if then statement, arrays, going through, working with arrays, accessing the array elements, and now dictionaries. That's what you'll find in the recording of this stream.